Hey, it's time to go. Can you take me?
Where are we going?
I'm going to Denver.
What, you leaving me here with the kids? It's 3:30 in the morning. I'm taking May at the airport. She's going on vacation. Let me get this for you. It's freezing. We're on airport drive. She's excited. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Have fun. Oh, thank you. Bye. Love you, Mommy.
Love you.
Hey, was that you?
5 Nights at Freddy's. Crying tears of blood.
You can't wear it to school. I'm sorry, sweetie. I get the wrong idea that you're crying tears of blood. I love you. Is it wrong that I don't want her to wear tears of? You want to have some cereal?
Eat it.
Handmade. Good job.
I don't want. You got more.
Stay away from that guy.
This one. I don't want it. Well, I don't love you if I'm dad. No! Ah!
Cooper, is that you?
I guess make it like this.
This is going to be a good morning.
Group hug.
Group hug. All right, I'll be right back, okay?
Okay. Guess what we're learning about in school?
What are you learning about?
It's like we're drawing a picture and making it better, 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 better.
Off. Now let's go deal with the two little minions.
What?
To be very ginger at this point because they're very sensitive. Good job. Thanks, guys. We made it, but we're not there yet.
You're the book helper. You're the fish helper, Colleen.
This is a first for me. I just dropped off the boys and they didn't cry once. What is going on? So I dropped May off at the airport at 4 o'clock this morning. Everyone's at school now. I have the house to myself. What am I gonna do? It's kind of fun when your spouse goes away on vacation because you get to have the house to yourself. You get to have the house the way you want it to clean. Make sure it's all kind of set, and that way I have a goal of keeping it the same way the entire week. Now let's get the dishes in the sink done and the kitchen will be clean. DX Mark II. Just got it from work. Now I gotta figure out how to use it. These things can be very difficult to learn. With a book this big, with all these pages, and there's not even Spanish in here either. So I've got to go cover a service day today. It's where all the county services come out and people can walk around and figure out. Put that there. So it looks like the city services thing has been canceled. I see some friends though. Hey buddy.
How you doing?
Good, and yourself?
Not much, just work.
Brand new Canon 1D Mark II.
Oh my goodness. Yeah. What the heck?
What?
What?
Is that real? They did cancel
They
it.
did.
I knew it.
I
I knew
saw
it. I knew it. Sir, are you registered to vote?
Yes, I am.
I want to make sure. Officially canceled, so I have to quickly find a feature for the paper. I had like 1 hour to do it, and I'm hoping I can find some people with umbrellas. So what better place to find a feature than on the roof, looking down, right? Got to find a good pattern with a good umbrella. Here comes one. Hold on. I love photographing up here because no one ever looks up. It's not really happening. I now have an hour to get back to the office, process these images, put them in the system, talk to the editors, and then go pick up my daughter from school. Gotta pick up the girl from school. Looks like I'm the first parent here. Hi, little baby. Hi. Hi, baby. Someone said there's a UPS store right here.
You scared me.
I'm sorry.
The Ups store.
The Up store, that's right. Be back in 2 seconds.
You are the one thing in my like fire. Why are we wasting time on all your wasting crime when you should be with me? I know I can treat you better than he can.
And that's where the battery died, right there at that song. Don't worry, the next song sucked. Showing Ava the vlog as I was editing it, and she was like, "Dad, this is so boring." And I was thinking to myself, this is kind of boring. I'm giving away a drone. So I think I'm gonna give away a drone. I'm giving away a drone. I'm giving away a drone. I'm giving away a drone. I'm gonna give away a drone. I'm giving away a drone. I'm giving away a drone. It's a Phantom 2 drone. I'm giving away a drone.
It's giving away a drone.
It's true. I'm trying to get 500 new subscribers to my YouTube channel. And I figured what better way to do that than to give away this DJI Phantom 2 drone to one lucky new subscriber. This drone uses a GoPro on the bottom, which does not come with this giveaway, so you'll have to supply that yourself. So what does this come with? Well, let me just show you. Comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 batteries, the controller, a charger, let's not forget the drone. It also comes with this cool carrying case. Look at this thing. Holds everything. Take it wherever you want. And so here it is. One lucky subscriber is going to get DJI Phantom 2 drone, 4 batteries, the charger, the remotes, and a cool carrying bag. And all you have to do is subscribe. So subscribe to the channel, share this with on your social media, whether it be YouTube or Facebook or your mom's LinkedIn, I don't care. Share it, we'll get to 500 subscribers, you'll win this. Thanks for subscribing.